I can see forever when I look into your eyes. That you and me together till the end of time. Maybe it's meant to be, destiny's the only reason. No longer creeping on this late night. Keep it real, that's why I constantly you on my mind. Thinking about you all the time and everything's fine when I'm near you. Don't wanna rush things, putting pressures on you. And hopefully you can understand. My plan with you is to be a simple, honest man. Before you off the blinded by the dawn is a tragedy. A heartless thug, living my life a casualty. Finding love and my life changed. Baby girl, I believe you're my everything. So tell me, how could I explain this feeling inside? The pleasure and the pain, better but the change from this kid alive and everything's gonna be alright. If I play my cards right, take it away, don't mind seeing where the touch of your hand. So now I promise be your man and your best friend. I know we've been together for a while now, and I can see you will always be the only person in my life now. Through the good and the bad time, painting pretty pictures in my mind, made me cry through the sad times. I know we've been together for a while now, and I can see you will always be the only person in my life now. Through the good and the bad times, painting pretty pictures in my mind, made me cry through the sad times. You're telling me you're falling in love with it though, and will never give up. Even if I can't promise you much, but still you smile and kept it real for us. Who will ever figure I'll be touched by the angel after all the trouble that I've been through? Am I forgiven? Cause I'm confused. How could a thug like me receive love from a girl like you? Late night kicking with the crew, drinking while you in your room waiting patiently. Know I live the lifestyle that will never see peace. You kept it real with me, kept me on my 2 feet, gave me space to breathe. I run the streets while you struggle for a degree. Baby girl, my apology for not understanding. Maybe that's how it is for a thug getting healed. But now I wanna let you know, even though I'm from a different section, what I'm offering is real. I know we've been together for a while now, and I can see you will always be the only person in my life now. Through the good and the bad time, painting pretty pictures in my mind, made me cry through the sad times. I know we've been together for a while now, and I can see you will always be the only person in my life now. Through the good and the bad times, painting pretty pictures in my mind, made me cry through the sad times.
So you calling me to work you up, telling me you wanna be my bride, cause you've been waiting your whole life patiently for this moment to arrive. Without me you say your life will never be complete, but in my heart the reason be with you from the beginning was to be your hero till I rest in peace. And with all these enemies, you sure you wanna be with me? Cause I'm just another young thug in the street. You telling me I'm your destiny? Never thought I was everything that you need. Hopefully my life with you will succeed all the things you wanted to achieve. With the passion and the thugs